हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूँ राधा और मैं मिस राग की सेक्रेटरी हूँ। आपको पता है कि मैं आज आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर कराऊंगी जो मिस राग ने मुझे बताया है, और ये बिल्कुल सटीक और आसान है, जिससे आपको याद करने में थोड़ी भी परेशानी नहीं होगी। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। क्लास 8 इंग्लिश, चैप्टर 1 वंडर। B.1.1 Think and tell. 1. What things in the first stanza tell you that the poet is curious? Answer. The color of the grass, not seen wind, the making of birds' nest and how the trees in rest. These are the things in the first stanza that tell us that the poet is curious to know why they are so. 2. Why do you think the speaker calls the cloud fluffy? Answer. The cloud moves in the sky swiftly. So, the speaker calls the cloud fluffy. 3. Does the wind have any color? Answer. No, the wind has no color. 4. Do you often ask your father about the things that you wonder at? Does he answer your questions? If he doesn't, what do you do to satisfy your curiosity? Answer. I also ask my father about the things I wonder at. My father answers my questions. If he doesn't know some questions answer, he tells me to ask it from my mother and grandmother to satisfy my curiosity. क्या तुमने अभी तक चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दिया या नहीं? नहीं किया तो अभी कर लो, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर तुम्हें फ्री में सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर के साथ साथ चैप्टर के भी वीडियो मिल जाएंगे। B.1.2 True or false? 1. The shape of moon is fixed. 2. The birds make their own nests. 3. The rainbow is not always colorful. 4. The stars do not give light. Answer. 1. False. 2. True. 3. False. 4. False. Long question answer. 1. Make a list of things that the poet is curious to know about. Answer. The poet is curious to know about why the grass is green, why the wind is never seen. The poet wants to know who taught the birds to build a nest. Why do the trees rest? Where goes the missing bit of moon? He also wants to know about the lights of stars, about lightning's origin. How come rainbows and the fluffy clouds up in the sky? अरे, आपको पता है, आप हमारे साथ इंस्टाग्राम, व्हाट्सएप और फेसबुक पर भी जुड़ सकते हैं। तो जल्दी से फॉलो करें। 2. Who do you think is the T in the poem, is a child or an adult? Give reasons for your answer. Answer. I think that T in the poem is a child. He is not an adult. Adults don't ever think of such questions. So, I agree to the point that the speaker, T of the poem, is a child. 3. What opinion do you form about the speaker? Answer. In my opinion, the speaker is a child of high mental level. He is intelligent. His mind is full of queries and questions. 4. What does the question in the end suggest about the speaker's attitude towards his dad? Answer. The question, coming at the end of the poem, suggests that the boy is decisive. He is not sure that his dad knows the answers to his questions. And even if he knew it, it was doubtful that he would answer to all of his queries. राधे राधे बच्चों को, फिर कल मिलते हैं। अपना ख्याल रखना।